This short video will show how to assemble the new two-piece style of chain Masterlink. We are starting to see these on more chains, so we want to show you how to install this new version. As you can see, this Masterlink assembly has only two pieces. The older style had three pieces. Start by installing the chain onto the sprockets so that the ends are between the two sprockets. Adjust the tension so that you can install the link onto the chain with some slack. Install the clip to one post of the link and hold it in place with your thumb from one hand. Use your opposite hand to grip the chain on the other end of the clip. Pull the chain toward the open side of the clip while holding the clip in place over the link. Apply enough pressure to install the clip onto the remaining post. To remove the clip, push the chain away from the open side of the link to create enough space for the clip to come off of the link's posts. This completes the demonstration.